Some guys put thinking here. Continue playing. Don't press the button 4. Doing your jump off the building. I finally found a server that does not have those weapons like I do. So time to make everybody lose. Okay, I'm joking. Maybe. Depends, really. Okay. I think I can do this without my carpets. Let's go. Yeah, that's supposed to be mine. So close. That's what you get. Okay, let's quickly do this. She finished before me. Time to teach her a lesson. No. Okay, speed one. I've been using my comment for so long, like I forgot how it's like to actually do it properly. Or maybe it's just because of the laptop. I normally do these videos on my iPad, so it's not fair. Let's go. But they have the most coins on the server. Yeah. This is so hard on PC. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know, I was just counting numbers. Okay. Don't fall off and avoid obstacles. I don't think my bricks really count as a weapon, but okay. But it's just floating there. Just find those. Okay, see the raft. I believe I can fly. I believe you die. Well, guys, I would like to introduce you to my clone, my very dumb clone. And for the sake of my clone to help him to be more smart, please subscribe to my channel. I know some people who are watching this have not subscribed yet, so do it now. Do it for a charity, which is making my clone smarter. Let's go. No. Tripping. This is crazy. At least now I can't die. I'm just gonna kill him with my sword. Die! But just dropped dead. I'm the king, and it's only the king who gets to be big. You all are gonna become short again. Who has the bomb? Oh, it's not bacon. Roblox is tiring me. Oh, okay. What the hell? Can we go flying around? Let's go. What do we need? Where is he? I think he died. Yes! Yeah! What's to do with him? Oh, look at her in the corner. I didn't see that. Roblox is timely. And only 5 minutes into the video. Hey, I still won. I couldn't help it. How am I gonna kill her? I think yes, he died. This music is nice. My clone died again. Guys, please subscribe and like and put the notifications bell on. Hit it. Only out of love for my clone to come back to life, and it worked. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I bet I can do this. Two presents so far. What's gonna happen if I catch all the presents? Is Santa Claus gonna give me an award? Come on. How? So close. Just 1 point away from winning. Okay, let's reach the top. I think I'm gonna use my jetpack instead of my carpets. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Do you guys like my singing? Okay, only one does correct. Reach the end. I hope she knows that is never gonna help her. He keeps loading bricks over here. Oh, that guy is trying to kill me. Okay. Scratch that, reverse it. Yeah, it's so close. Second lucky charm, as you see, I think. Yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, so close. That one, which one is bigger? That one. Bigger than this one, isn't it? Yes. Okay, I think I can do this. This is simply cutting candy. Wait, why am I even doing this? I'm allergic to candy. Okay, I'm doing it. Haha. Let's So why bother doing this when I can just go into the computer and get it myself? Yeah. What's the point of doing actually if I can't do it in real life? I really know sweet. I meant sweet. Okay, got a 5 so far. Oh, yeah, I still won. That's me classic. Yeah, we got it. It's back to normal. Ah, we're floating in space. Yeet! That was a bad idea. Eat. Oh. For me again. I might call you. The other kid on the top. Yes. I don't know I just did that. Hey, my copy is glitching. See down there. Not see volcanoes. Oh, look, it's a volcano. I'm gonna go up there. He's cheating! How is that fair? Actually, hey guys, King Crew, do you dare me to jump into the volcano? Because me and my friend will do it when I die. This is not stopping. This is a repetitive non-stop. It's cycling. Oh, what happened? Oh look, I'm tiny. Instead of broken, I should be more like Planet King or mini royalty or something. Oh no! Want to be quick a bit. So close. But I think this is going to have to be end the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.